Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook Touchpad settings. So first click on this little Apple icon from this corner and select System Settings. A new window pops up. Now scroll down to Touchpad or Trackpad, my bad. And here you can customize or you can set or adjust your trackpad tracking speed or simply the speed. This is slow. And now it is fast. You can also adjust the click speed or my bad, the touchpad click feeling. This is light and this is firm. Now on the touchpad on my MacBook Air M2, I feel that the click is firm. Personally, I prefer it to be light, and you can also force click and haptic feedback. Click, then press firmly for quick look up, and variable speed media controls. You can also edit the secondary click or the right, for example, this click. You can this secondary click that usually we do with the right button of our mouse, you can turn it off. You can click or tap with two fingers. You can set it to click in bottom right corner of the trackpad or the left corner of the trackpad. Personally, I prefer it to be using two fingers because I'm used to this. And here you can, for the click, you can go with tap to click. So just a little tap on the trackpad is considered a click, but when it is unchecked like this, a click or a touch click is not is doing nothing. So personally, I prefer a tap to be as a click. To edit the scroll and zoom, for example, if you want to change the trackpad, yes, the touchpad scrolling direction, check this box or uncheck it. And for the zoom in or out, you can enable it or disable it. Same thing for the smart zoom and rotate. And for each feature, this is how to do it. For example, for the zoom in or out, you can pinch with two fingers. And from more gestures, there are more trackpad features or touchpad settings that you can use. And this is how to change your MacBook touchpad settings. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.